Gemini, you've spent too long orbiting someone else's world chasing their light, bending your energy to their whims, waiting for a sliver of their attention. But here is the cosmic truth. You are not a moon clinging to another's gravity. You are a twin star, brilliant, independent, and unstoppable. The more you chase, the more they retreat. Why? Because they see your duality dimmed, your spark diluted into a puppet's dance. No more. Today, you reclaim your celestial power. Step 1. Quench the thirst. Ignite the flame. Gemini, your thirst for their validation is a black hole devouring your light. Thirst is loud. Confidence is silent. When you stop begging for crumbs, no more late-night texts, no more social media stalking, you awaken your twin flames, self-respect and mystery. Let them wonder, why does Gemini no longer orbit me? The answer, you've become the magnet, not the seeker. Say it with me. I attract. I do not chase. Step 2. Cloak yourself in cosmic mystery. Gemini, your duality thrives in the unknown. Keep them in the dark, post a cryptic story. Delay replies, vanish from their feed. Let their minds spiral. Is Gemini seeing someone new? Have I lost their light forever? By guarding your inner world, you become a celestial enigma. Mystery isn't manipulation, it's mastery. Say it with me. I move in silence. My stars shine brighter in the dark. Step 3. Reclaim your time. Rule your galaxy. Gemini, your time is a supernova, too precious to waste on those who take it for granted. Cancel plans? No. You're busy building a universe of your own. Gym, career, hobbies pour your energy into you. When you stop orbiting their schedule, they'll realize your galaxy no longer revolves around them. Say it with me. My time belongs to me. I am the architect of my destiny. Step 4. Demand constellations. Settle for nothing less. Gemini, you're not a flickering star. They must see your supernova. Set boundaries. This is my light. Take it or leave it. Settling for crumbs? That's a betrayal of your duality. Raise your standards. The universe will bend to meet your brilliance. Say it with me. I demand constellations. I settle for nothing less than cosmic alignment. Step 5. Master the art of celestial silence. Gemini, silence is your superpower. They ask why you ghosted? Don't explain. Let your silence scream. I need no validation. Every unexplained no is a shield against their chaos. Silence isn't rude, it's divine detachment. Say it with me. My silence speaks volumes. I need no one's approval to shine. Step 6. Ascend as the twin flame. Gemini, glow up not for them, but for the cosmos. Gym, career, self-care. Become a radiant twin star. When they notice your new light, they'll wonder, who is this unstoppable Gemini? The answer? Someone who no longer needs their gaze to shine. Say it with me. I glow for myself. My light blinds those who once doubted me. Step 7. Say no, like a celestial warrior. Gemini, your no is a comet swift, unapologetic, and final. Can't make it. That doesn't work for me. No explanations. Every no protects your energy. Every yes honors your duality. Say it with me. I say no and mean it. My boundaries are unbreakable. Step 8. Become emotionally untouchable. Gemini, their words are meteors, dramatic but harmless. Stay calm when they provoke you. Your peace is a black hole. Nothing escapes it. Let them rage. You're already light years ahead. Say it with me. I stay solid. My emotions are mine alone to command. Step 9. Be the magnet, not the chaser. Gemini, stop orbiting others. Cultivate joy within, and watch the right souls gravitate to you. You are the North Star others find you, not the other way around. Say it with me. I attract. I do not chase. What's mine finds me. Gemini, this isn't revenge, it's evolution. You've cut their strings, guarded your energy, and stepped into your power. Whether they return or not matters not. You are whole. O are unstoppable. You are divine Gemini. Now, go forth and let the universe wonder what it lost. Drop a comment below. I attract. I do not chase. Let the cosmos hear your declaration.